Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Learnings. I'm Paul.
And I'm Emily. Great to see you again.
In today's lesson, we're going to help you talk about your day in English, naturally and fluently.
Yes, we'll show you how to describe your morning, afternoon, and evening, just like a native speaker.
This is super useful because talking about your day is something you do all the time, with friends, teachers, or even at work.
Exactly. So, let's start learning how to make your daily English sound more natural and confident.
Ready, everyone? Let's go.
1. Talking about your morning. Okay, let's start with the morning. Paul, what do you usually do in the morning?
In the morning, I wake up around 7 a.m. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and make some coffee.
Nice. I usually wake up a bit earlier. Around 6:30 a.m., I do some light exercise and then make breakfast.
That's a good routine. Viewers, listen and repeat after us. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I make breakfast.
Perfect. You can use these sentences to talk about your own morning.
Let's try a short conversation example. Hey, Emily, what time do you wake up?
I usually wake up around 6:30. How about you?
I wake up at 7. Then I drink coffee and check my phone.
Do you eat breakfast?
Sometimes. I usually just have toast and eggs.
That's a simple and natural way to talk about your morning.
Yes. You can also add time words like usually, sometimes, always, never. Example. I usually wake up early. I never skip breakfast.
Vocabulary and phrases. Morning. Let's learn some useful vocabulary for your morning routine. 1. Wake up to stop sleeping. Example, I wake up at 7 a.m. He wakes up late on weekends. 2. Get up to get out of bed. Example, I get up after my alarm rings. 3. Brush my teeth, clean your teeth. I brush my teeth every morning and night. 4. Take a shower, wash your body. I take a shower before work. 5. Get dressed, put on clothes. I get dressed after my shower. 6. Have breakfast, eat in the morning. I have breakfast with my family. 7. Go to work/go to school. Leave home for your job or classes. I go to school at 8 o'clock.
Great. Let's repeat some of them together, everyone. Wake up. Brush my teeth. Take a shower. Get dressed.
Good job. You're sounding great already.
2. Talking about your afternoon. Now, let's move on to the afternoon. Emily, what do you usually do after lunch?
Well, after lunch, I usually check emails and work on my projects. Sometimes I meet friends for coffee.
That sounds nice. In the afternoon, I usually go to the gym or take a short walk.
Hey, Paul, what do you do after lunch?
I usually go to the gym for about an hour.
Wow, that's healthy. I usually stay in and work on my laptop.
Do you get tired in the afternoon?
Sometimes, yes. I drink tea to stay awake. Here are some useful afternoon words and expressions. 8. Have lunch, Eat lunch. I have lunch at 12:30 p.m. We have lunch together at work. 9. Go out. Leave your home for fun or work. I go out with friends after work. 10. Take a nap. Sleep for a short time. I take a nap in the afternoon. 11. Work on something, do or complete a task. I work on my English every day. 12. Meet friends. Spend time with friends. I meet my friends for coffee.
And a few phrases you can use in conversation. I usually stay home. I sometimes go shopping. I take a nap after lunch.
These make your speaking sound natural and relaxed.
3. Talking about your evening. Now, let's talk about the evening. Emily, what's your evening routine like?
In the evening, I like to cook dinner, watch a movie, or read a book.
That sounds peaceful. I usually relax, listen to music, or chat with friends online. Hey, Emily, do you cook dinner every night?
Not every night. Sometimes I order food online.
Me too. It's easy and fast.
After dinner, I watch my favorite show before going to bed.
Nice. I like listening to podcasts before sleeping.
Vocabulary and phrases. Evening. Let's learn more vocabulary for the evening. 13. Cook dinner. Make food in the evening. I cook dinner for my family. 14. Watch TV/watch a movie dash. I watch TV after dinner. Let's watch a movie tonight. 15. Relax/chill, rest, or do something easy. I relax on the sofa after work. Let's just chill tonight. 16. Go to bed, go to sleep. I go to bed at 11 p.m. 17. Fall asleep, start sleeping. I fall asleep quickly.
Let's repeat these together. Cook dinner. Watch TV. Relax. Go to bed.
Awesome. You sound more fluent every minute.
Mini role play 1. A day in my life. Let's do a short story together. I'll start. Hi, I'm Paul. Here's what my day looks like. I wake up at 7. I take a shower, have breakfast, and go to work. In the afternoon, I go to the gym and meet friends. In the evening, I relax and watch a movie. I go to bed around 11.
That's great. Now I'll share mine. Hi, I'm Emily. I wake up early and do some exercise. I have breakfast and start working on my lessons. In the afternoon, I read or go for a walk. In the evening, I cook dinner and listen to music.
Now it's your turn, dear viewers. Try to talk about your day. Start with, I wake up at, and go step by step.
Extra practice. Interactive. Let's practice together. Repeat after us or answer the questions aloud.
What time do you wake up? Pause for viewers to answer.
Good. What do you eat for breakfast? Pause.
What do you do in the afternoon?
Excellent. And what do you do in the evening before bed?
You're doing amazing. Remember, practice makes progress.
Let's quickly review what we learned today.
We talked about how to describe your daily routine. Morning, afternoon, and evening.
We also learned useful vocabulary like wake up, get dressed, have breakfast, work on, meet friends, cook dinner, relax, go to bed.
And you practiced making sentences using these words.
That's right. You can now talk about your daily routine in a natural way.
That's it for today's lesson. How to talk about your day in English.
We hope you enjoyed learning with us. Remember, practice every day, talk to yourself, your friends, or even record your voice.
If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun English lessons.
And don't forget to comment below. Tell us, what do you do in your day?
Thanks for watching.
See you next time, and keep speaking English naturally.